So today in this tutorial video, we are going to see how to create this awesome looking, elegant university agent's website. Okay, this is my particular logo, but this is the agent's website. You can have your logo over here. So we have created this beautiful looking website, which is the home page. Then we have a landing page. Okay, so we have created this menu bar, custom menu bar. I will be also showing you how to create this custom menu bar that we have been used. So this is the landing page, you know. So, so that has everything. The landing page normally has everything in it. Okay. Then we have the about us page. Okay. Now we don't have the menu bar, but I will be showing you how to implement that into your website. It's very easy. It doesn't consume any time, no coding at all. So our services, okay. Then we have our portfolio. Over here also I'm going to show you how to implement the menu bar. So our portfolio, okay. Then we have our pricing or the blog. Maybe the pricing. Let's go ahead to the pricing section. Then we have the pricing, this awesome looking structured website, okay. And then so on. So let me just go ahead and click on home. So guys, we are going to create this awesome looking agency website. Okay. So just follow the video along to know how to build this website without any coding, and it's so quick. So let's get started. Before we go ahead, let me brief you with some of the very important links which will guide and help you out. The links are in the description. Now, of course, the first link is my affiliate link to the Divi theme, where you can specially avail the 20% discount, which is for a limited time. And guess what? They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for whatsoever reason you don't lose anything on it. The second link is where I recommend you and my students always to purchase your domain and hosting from hostinga.com. And I'm recommending it not only because they give up to 90% discount, but I have been using it for the past 5 years, and trust me, you will fall in love with the service they have to offer. Now the third one is the very most important link, which you can directly message me on WhatsApp, where I can provide you a one-on-one live training session. The live training session will be between you and me only. And believe me, I won't be charging you a penny for the live training session, but to avail it, you have to purchase the Divi theme from the link below so that you save 20% on it. And of course, I am going to get a commission on that particular sale, which will keep me motivated to make more content like this and provide live training sessions now and then and help me support my daily needs. Make sure to send me the receipt on WhatsApp so that we can start with the one-on-one training session right away. In case you don't purchase right now, make sure you save this video and come back later and click on the link to get a 20% discount. So now we are going to install the Divi theme. To install the Divi theme, first you need to have the subscription. After you purchase the subscription, you have to log into your account and then go and click on My Downloads. Once you click on My Downloads, you just need to download the Divi theme. I'm going to save it. And then once you've saved it, you need to go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance Theme. Over here, you need to click on the Add New button. Once you click on Add New, you need to click on Upload Theme. And then you select the theme which you have downloaded, the Divi theme, and then click on Open. And then Install Now. Just wait a couple of seconds and it will start installing. Depending on your network speed, the process will be faster. It's going to unpack the packages, then it will install the theme. Once the theme is installed successfully, you need to click on Activate. Now after you click on Activate, you can delete the remaining themes so that to save your space. Once you are done installing the Divi theme and you have activated the theme, we need to validate it. Now to validate, you need to click on Divi and then go to Theme Options. Now you need to have the username and API key. And where do you get that? You get in your Divi account. So you have to go to your accounts and then go to the username and API key. Once you go to username and API key, you will see your username somewhere here. You will see your username, and then you have to generate a new API key for every website you create. Now you see I have so many keys over here. That's because I've taken the lifetime subscription. So let me generate a new key and let me just name it. I'm going to name it as business elegant. Okay. Let me just copy the API key, go back to my themes and just paste it down here. And let me also copy my username. So I copied my username and then I also paste it over here. And let me just click on save changes. Then you will see this green color icon over here. It already went. So now we have successfully validated the theme. So let me go to the front end of my site and just refresh. Now most probably the content will be the same, but I will show you how to change everything. So we have to go to our dashboard. We have to go to our WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, we have to create pages. So then we go to the pages and then go and click on all pages. Now by default, we have these two pages. So let me just go ahead, click on this title, and both the pages will be selected and we'll just move it to green. So what are the pages are we going to be creating? So we are going to create the home page, the about page, blog, also contact, landing, portfolio, pricing. So let me just go ahead and create add new. So this pop-up dialog box will appear. Just click on close dialog, and then we are going to title this, name it as home. Then we need to do some initial settings over here, which says this will be default. Okay, this page attributes will be blank page, discussion, excerpt. This everything will not change except the template, which will be a blank page. And then we got to click on publish. Once we have created the home page, then we go ahead and create the about us. So we go create the about us page. So now we'll be creating the about us page. Back again, template will be just the blank page and publish. Go back. Then we're going to create the blog page, portfolio, pricing, contact, and the landing. So let's go ahead and create blog. Once again, blank page, publish. Then we're going to create the recreated home, blog, about. Then we contact us page. Contact us page. The page attributes will be once again blank page. Publish. Go back. Then we are going to create the landing page, portfolio, and the pricing. Once again, blank page, publish. Okay, and then once again we have to create, we created the portfolio. Then we have to create the portfolio and pricing. Portfolio. Once again, blank page, publish. Go back, and the pricing page, which we have to create the last one. with the pricing. Once again, blank page, publish. Okay, we are done, good to go. Then we're going to go back. And now we have created all the pages. Now after we do create all the pages, we need to do some initial settings. So we have to go head over to settings and go to readings. After we go to reading, first we have to go and change your home page displays. Home page will be your home page, and since we are using Divi, we'll be creating a custom post page, or you can just select the blog page, but I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm going to hit on save, and once the settings are saved, I'm just going to head over to permalinks. So this is some initial settings you have to change, and custom structure, the permanent settings, I will be changing it to the post name. So I will just want this name. In case you want the date to be up here, you will have to take the month and the name, or the date, day and the name. So I'm just going to just select the post name, click on save changes. Okay, so we are good to go. So let me just go ahead back to my all pages. Now initially, if you view the home page, you will see something like this, which will have a sidebar most probably. Okay, but don't worry about it. This will disappear as soon as we edit the page with the visual builder, or you can head over back to the pages, or you can just click on the edit with Divi, or you can just click on edit. So the three ways where you could edit your page, and just click on edit with Divi builder. Now this is the front end of my page. You see it only over here to enable visual builder is because you have logged into your Divi dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. So let me just head over back to my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to select as edit with Divi builder. So as I said, we will be going ahead with this agency website, and now since we're in the home page, we will be using this template. Now how to get this template into your website is just go to the dashboard, and you can build from scratch, or you can browse the pre-made layouts or the clone existing pages, but we need the layouts. We don't have any pages right now, or you can just create from scratch. I'm just going to click on browse layouts, and we have to search for the layout which says agency. Now it's already there for us over here. Otherwise, you can just search over here, agency, in the home page, and I'm just going to click on use this layout. So the layout has been imported, and now you see we have the home page of our website. So I'm just going to click on save. I'm going to show you how to do some basic editing. So now let me just refresh my page. Okay, so now we have a beautiful home page for our agency website. I will be also showing you how to add the menu bar. In fact, let me do it right over here, right now. So what we have to understand when we are building Divi, a website using Divi, is three things. First is the sections. This is called as the section settings. Then we have something called as row settings, but right now we are not using any rows. So, and this is called as module settings. You might find a row over here. The green color one is the green color rectangle box is the row settings. You might find it somewhere here also. Okay, see, there is a section setting, then we have the row. So a section setting is something, it is an entire box, now the entire screen. Then we have the row. Within the row, we do some necessary editing, like we have some modules in there. So in that row, we can have different types of columns, like this is a two column, one first column, second column. So there are two columns. Maybe below here, this probably is going to be two columns, but it's just one column over here. The sizing has been changed, everything has been changed. There is one section over here, there is two rows over here, two rows sections, and then these are the modules which you see in a gray color or dark blackish kind of a color. Then this probably is going to be two once again. Let me just check. Yes, it's going to be two. You can just, so this is first one, second one. So let me just go ahead and just create the menu bar. So how do we do that? We create on the section settings. Okay, remember section settings, head over to that same color plus icon, the section settings one, and then we click on the full width. Then we click on the menu, full width menu. Now initially it's going to appear something like this. It is with uncategorized and stuff. So this is your default menu. It shows everything that is available on the WordPress dashboard. I mean your website. So let me just go ahead and click on save changes. We shall do some changes to them later on. So let me just go ahead up. Okay. And now what we need to do is we need to click on save. So let me just go ahead and quickly import the blog page, contact us, portfolio, landing, about us, pricing. I'll go back to my dashboard. Okay, then I go to my pages, all pages. And I'm going to go back now. First, to edit Divi. I will just open it with a new tab so that it can be done faster. So about us page. So this pre-made layouts. It's so quick. I will show you how to change the images, the text, and some of the basic things what you need to know. Like creating a section setting and a row setting and then adding a module in it. Then we need to create the about us. So about us, use this layout. So about us page has been imported. Then just go to click on save. Okay, I'm going to go to pages. Let's close this about us page. I'm going to pages. Then I'm going to go with blog, view, open with new. No, sorry. Edit with Divi. I just opened in a new tab. So just note that. Let's go to refresh this front end of my page. So I'm going to click on browse layouts. Then you're saved. So sorry. Then pre-made layouts. This is going to be the blog. So blog. Use this layout. So we have a blog page imported. So this thing just moves in a loading section because there are things which are not loaded. So I'm just going to click on save. Once it is saved, it's going to close the bar. Then contact us page, add it with Divi. Then browse layouts. Then agency. Then going to contact us. So contact, use this layout. So your contact us has been imported. And then after and then you have to just click on save. Then I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this contact us. Then go ahead to the landing, edit with Divi, browse layouts, agency, landing, use this layout. So landing has been imported, and then we just need to go ahead and click on save. So once it is saved, we're just going to close this page, and then we go to pricing, portfolio, and the pricing is left. Portfolio, and then browse layouts, portfolio, then agency, portfolio, use this layout. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time depending on your server speed, on your hosting speed. So we have our portfolio page imported, and then we just need to go ahead and click on save. But I'll just wait for the page to be loaded and then click on save. Okay, so this is all dummy text. You can change it. I will show it to you also. No worries. And then we're going to go to pricing, add it with Divi. This is the front end of my page. So right now, if I just refresh this, it will just load up all the new content. So we have the menu bar also. Pricing, then pricing, browse layouts, agency, pricing, use this layout. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Just wait for it for a while until it's loaded, and then click on save. So we have the pricing page also ready for us. So just click on close. Now remember, we have, let me just go, this is the front end of my page. Let me just go to the back end. Now remember, now if you edit this, this will all change back to the older version of the page. Now remember this, we have edited with Divi on a new tab. Make sure to refresh the page, otherwise if you try to edit it somewhere here, it will just open up the previous saved layout. So just refresh once you finish building your page, just refresh it. Because initially actually you're not supposed to open in a new tab, you're supposed to click there and there. So let me just refresh once again, just for namesake. Okay, so we have created all our pages, and then once you have imported the pages in Divi and saved the layouts, you see something comes on Divi front end, front page. That's because we set this into the settings readings page. The home page will be the front page, so that's why it's showing you this front page. And if you selected the blog also, then it should have shown you the post page over here. So now we have created all the pages. Let me just go to the front end of my page and just refresh, or you can just say go visit, open a new tab, visit. It's one the same. Now we have this menu bar over here. We have to just tweak a bit over here on this menu bar, because right now with the home page, but if you go to the about us section, you are not going to have the menu bar because we have imported the menu bar only in the home page. But never mind, I'm going to show you how to dynamically do that, creating just one menu bar and using it for all other pages. I will show you how to save templates. So first of all, we need to create a menu. Now this is the default menu which has been created. So how do we create a custom menu bar? So we head over back to our dashboard, and then we go to appearance and then menus. Click on the menus. You are going to see the menu structures over here. Give your menu a name, then click create menu. So I'm going to create this as main menu and create menu. Under this menu, we are going to add all our pages like where's the home page? Okay, view all. Go to view all. This is the most recent. Go to view all. This is the most recent. This is the most recent pages. Let's go and click on view all. We need a home page. We need all our pages actually. Okay, and then click on select all. You can do that alternatively, and click on add menu, add to menu, and then we have all our menus over here. Now we just need to restructure them. Like we want the contact us page to be right at the bottom. Okay, then we have the home page, about us, blog, maybe the landing page after the home page, probably here. Then we have the portfolio above the blog. Now remember, if it is under the straight line, meaning it's a menu, or if you just take it to a little bit right part over here, then it means that the portfolio is under about us. I'm sure you know that. This is the sub menu, which acts like that. Let's go and click on save menu. Wait, but before that, let me just finish this. So then we have the blog pricing. Perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and click on save menu. Now once we click on main menu has been updated, once we go to the front end of my page, and if you try to refresh, it will still not change. I will tell you why. Because we have to do some changes to this menu module, which is very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and just directly click on enable visual builder on the page itself, or you can alternatively go to the all on pages, go back to the home page, and then edit with Divi. But I've already done it over here. So what I'm going to do now is, this is the section settings. Now remember, to change this, we have to change, this is the module, this is the menu module. So we have to click on the settings of the module and then select the main menu. So right now it shows you as the main menu, but we just click on, just change it and just click back on main menu. and there you see the main menu has been updated. Okay, if it shows you the main menu, and but it's not actually the menu, but just click on select a menu, it's kind of a bug or something by Divi, or just go and click on main menu, and then all your pages are here. Now you can also just resize this. I'm just going to make it a little bigger. So let me just finish with the menu, because then we need to use this menu in all our other pages, like the landing page and all our pages actually. So in the logo, now since we already don't have a logo, it's fine. Or you can just add a logo and just select a file or whatever. And but right now I'm not going to add a menu. Right now I'm not going to add a logo. And then the elements, you can have the shopping cart if you are at all going to require that. So let me just see for some settings over here. If any very important right now, then I'm going to let you know. Okay, so the layout. Okay, so the layout that we want our menu to have is, we want it to be centered. Okay, so we go to the design, and then if you see, it says a layout style left align. Now if you see, we want our menu to be centered align. So if at all you want to have it in the center, then we go to the design, and then from left align we go centered. We should take a center, or you can have the logo, inline centered logo, and there will be a logo in center over here. Let's go ahead and select a logo also. So let me just go ahead and I'm just going to upload my logo over here, which is going to be this Elegant University. And you see these images because we have imported templates, and it has imported those images also. So we have our logo imported, use this logo, and now you see it aligns in the center. So now you see there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Maybe if we didn't have the landing page, it would have looked a little bit better. Okay, or you can just change the design to layouts to say as left align, something like this. And the menu text, you can have this one right aligned. And how we do that? We do it by going to text align and go to right align. And that's I'm going to show you once again, because I think I went a little bit fast. So let me just collapse this back again. So as I told you, if you wanted the layout to be in the center, we go to design, layouts. From left align, we can do it centered like this. We need to work on this if that's the case. Or you can have it inline centered logo. But we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 menus over here. So I'm just going to click on left align. You can make some other changes over here also. You can just export them, and then we want to have the menus in the right side. That will be a better option, since we have uneven menus over here. And then to do that, we have to click on menu text and then go below menu text align right, and then we go click on save changes. Now we need to use this menu bar for all our pages. Now we don't want to create each and every time a new menu bar by just going ahead and clicking on full width and then going back and full width menu. That will waste our time. So what we are going to do is we are going to save this menu bar. How we do that? We head over to the section. Okay, not the module, the section. Then we need to go and save this section, not the module. Okay, we have to go to the section, 3 dots, save to library, and main menu, or just save it as menu, whatever name you want. I'm going to save it as main menu. Click on save to library. But once this is done, I'm just going to click on these 3 dots and save. And then we have the home menu over here. So now we have saved it. What we are going to do is go back to our front end of our page. Okay, visit site. Now this is the home page which we are editing using Divi, but this is the front end of my page. Now if we click on the landing page, okay, now if we click on the landing page, remember there is not going to be a menu bar. But what we have to do is edit it using Visual Divi Builder. It's very simple now. Since we have already saved the menu section, it's very simple. Then we need to go to this section settings. Okay, now you need to find the plus of the topmost section, the plus icon, and click on this, and then we don't have to create from full width. We have to click from add from library, the one which we have saved, and click on main menu. Now you see we have our main menu over here. See, we can add keep the menu over here if you like it. I think that was better, but or you can have it up here. But for now, we're just going to keep it up here. It depends on you what you want to have. Just drag and drop it right at the top. Just have to click on this plus, and you can drag wherever you want it underneath over here. So I'm just going to keep it back over here wherever it was, and then go ahead and click on save. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this page. Okay, or if not close this page, I am actually going to go ahead and just go back and go to my home page, or whichever page home page, and I'm just going to remove this. This will disable the edit with Divi option. Whatever you see right now, this will disable. So it will open the front end of my page. Then if I go to my landing page, it will take me to my landing page, and you will see the main menu, all this menu bar available over here with all the content. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do some necessary changes. And then we go to the About Us page. You won't see the menu bar. You have to follow the same steps what you have done for the landing page. You just need to open the particular page with Divi Builder and then import your menu bar over here. So I think you can do that. Okay, so let me just go back to my home page. Now once we're at the home page, let me just show you how to create a duplicate of this, a duplicate of the financial investment planning. So let me just, and this is why I'm going to show you is how to create a section, a row, and add the modules. So let me just enable with Divi Visual Builder. Let me just explain you one section so that you can understand it more clearly. So now we want to create another section which has financial investment planning and safe and secure, whatever. Okay. First of all, we can just duplicate this if you want to. Okay, and sorry. First of all, we can just duplicate this section. Now this is a blank space over here, so we can duplicate this section over here. But then I'll need to show you the exact way. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is, you will see these plus icons every now and then. Okay, this purple color plus icon means a full width section. The blue color icon means not a full width, but you can have it also made as full width, but that's just doing some spacing adjustments. So let me just go ahead, and you can click on either on the plus setting, and then you can create the regular section which you have just seen, or the full width. So I'm just going to go ahead and create it right over here, or even somewhere over here. Remember, we cannot create the section settings on the green. We can't create the section settings on the green. This is only for the rows, or on the gray color one. This is only for module. Gray is only for the modules. Green is only for the row. Okay, remember this. Purple is only for this full width. We can have the specialty sections also. This is something special of the purple one. This has a dynamic which gives you more ability to do some changes. But what we want to have is this section settings. Even this is a particular section setting, but it's the more advanced one, which is in purple. But now we need to create on the blue one. So we need to go ahead and click on the plus icon of this particular section, and we are going to click on regular. Now there are three, right? So we have to have the 3 rows settings over here. So now we have the three. Now we need to have these modules up in this particular section. So now once you create the section, then once you create the row, it will pop up on the first row and it will ask you what module do you want to use. Like if you say you want to use something called as maybe say a text module, then a particular module will appear, some text will appear, and then some changes, whatever you can make to it. Okay, but I'm going to show you it in a better way. So let me just go ahead and find out what module is this. How to do that? You can just head over to the settings. Okay, this is the module setting. Once you click on the module settings, this is the blurb settings. Okay, so now we just try to import this same blurb settings over here. I'm going to delete this module. If it's a gray color one, remember it's a module. Green is a section. Green is a row setting, and this blue is a section settings. Click on the gray icon, go and search for blurb. I think it was somewhere here, blurb. Okay, so now you see there is a lot of content, there is images, so we can change that also. How we can do is, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just a bit too lazy. Just going to copy this, go to my, you can directly edit it over here itself, but directly double click on it. Okay, or alternatively, what you can do is, if you want to have the advanced all the options available to you, what you can do, oops, sorry, copy, paste. You can just directly do it over here like this, but I'm going to show it using the actual module. So we go ahead and you see this is the module, this is the section, and this is the row. So module settings, go here, select all, paste that particular text, whatever. Then we need to have it centered align, select all, centered align. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now the title should be financial advice. I'm going to copy it. Let's click on it, copy, and you can directly go and click on it, paste it up there. But see, now we need to do it a centered align. So for that we need the module settings opened up. So to open that up, now if you click on it and try to find for the module setting, you won't be able to see it because you're into the editing mode. So just click somewhere outside over here. Okay, just click somewhere outside and then it's going to pop up. Then once you head back over to the module, it's going to pop up, and then module settings, financial. Now financial is the title name. Okay, so to do it center, we have, this is the content section. Remember, for every module there is content, design, and advanced. So this is the content. Now for the module, you can directly go ahead and click on this edit icon. It will directly take to the module settings, or you can just go to the design, search for the title text. Okay, and then go somewhere here and see for the text alignment center. You can do that, or directly you can just go ahead and just reversed it back. You can directly go over to this edit icon. You can directly go to the edit icon and it will take you directly to the particular title text editing mode, wherever it is, and go to click on center align. Now we need to have this icon. So this icon was created, go back to the content, or image and icon, and then you can change the icon over here, or you can directly click on this edit icon over here. It will directly open up to the settings. This will open up the settings. Remember to change this image. Now, right now it is an image. We can have some icons displayed over here. How to do that? Use icon. Perfect. So once you click on use icon, we can find this particular bulb. I'm sure it's going to be somewhere here. Where is the bulb? Okay, let's say for a bulb. Let me see who can find it faster, me or you. Let me know in the comments if you can find the bulb faster. Where is the bulb? Okay, so here is the bulb. So initially the color is different over here, but I told you you can change the color also by just clicking it on edit, or you can go to design and then go back to the image and icon, blah blah blah, and change the color to whatever you want. So you can do this also. Okay, so I'm just going to head over and click on this color because it's almost similar. So that's how you create a module. Similarly, you can create 3 modules over here and 2 more additional modules which you will have. I'll leave this up to you. Okay, I want you to create these 2 modules just by following these steps. You can change the size of the module and everything. Like you just go to the design, and then you go to the sizing. Just play around with the options over here. Let me just go ahead and show you how to change this. So use icon font size and just change the font. I mean, image and icon mix. It's not the font actually, but it's the icon size that we want. But I think we should take note about it. Just kidding. Yeah. Okay. That image and font size meaning it changes the financial advice also, I suppose. No, it doesn't. So I'll leave it on whatever 60. Save. Save it. Okay. So this is how we create a section. We create rows. If you need another module over here, just go ahead and explore this bar. Then this is something called as change column structure. And click on it, you can have create 4 rows. So you can change everything and anything like in Divi. You can change this. You can change this sizing. You can have it somewhere here. You can make it more bigger. A lot of things can be done in Divi. Okay, I just control undo. Then you can just create, this. Now you see this module, this particular module is something called as call to action. You can create so much for your, Divi is so great. I mean, it's so customizable that you can just do anything and everything. Like you see, the image is aligned to the left. Initially, just try to explore. Once you get your subscription, you'll understand it's so good, and you will find it very useful for your upcoming projects. So we will go ahead and click on save. So let me just go to the front of my page, and I'm just going to remove this, to just open up the front end of my page. That's my index page. I mean my home page. And now we have one model which has been created. Over here you can even, now this is a newsletter section where you can take the name, first name, and the email. Now this is a special, it has a special particular settings which you have to play around with your hosting provider. And if you want it to be done through me, then I can told you, as I told you earlier, I provide one-on-one training. So once you purchase the subscription using my affiliate link and send me the screenshot, I can provide you assistance in training with Divi, where I teach you actually nearly everything about Divi. Right now, if you see, it took me a 1-hour video. Now this is just because we have created a lot of menu bars and stuff over here, but it's so quick. You can see within so little amount of time we have created an entire agency website. So once you purchase the subscription using my affiliate link, I'm going to show you how I can show you actually, and I can teach you everything about Divi, including how to implement this newsletter. Meaning once a person enters the name and the last name, email, once they click on subscribe, how to use, how you can have it, how you can have MailChimp, integrated to this, and also for the contactors, once they send a message, how you can get an email from your website. So all this I can do and show you personally in a one-on-one training. That's only once you take my subscription. Okay. So this is it, guys. We have created this awesome looking website within just an hour, I suppose, or maybe more. But this is our website. So let me just go ahead and delete this section. I just don't want this because it looks ugly. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh. So I just want this to be removed. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is our website, agency website, which you have got just for a few bucks and implemented and done so fast. You don't have to pay an agency to develop a website for you for such high cost, like $1,000 or whatever. Within $250, I suppose you can have, within $100 actually, or within $80, you can have your entire website ready for you. And this is so simple. You don't need to have any coding knowledge. Okay. So just go subscribe to my channel because I'm going to give up and I'm going to put up some more videos which will show you how to do some other stuff. Just besides just importing the layout, I'm going to show you some other stuff such as how to integrate WhatsApp, the WhatsApp chat, how to integrate Facebook share, Twitter share, LinkedIn share. I'm going to show you all that. So in my upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my upcoming latest content. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.